Hi and welcome to another episode of TechRap. I'm Jello Gonzalez and we are back for another unboxing video. This time it's a phone from the big S, Sony. Just kidding. It's from Samsung. This right here is the new Samsung Galaxy S21. It's one of the first major phone launches of the year and we are checking it out. This is the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. The box is smaller than all previous S releases, and that's because it's the first S phone to not include a charger in the package for environmental reasons, according to Samsung, similar to moves made by Apple. They teased Apple for not including a charger, but they're doing the same move now. And this one, the base S21, it has a 6.2-inch screen, with the S21 Plus having a 6.7-inch screen and the S21 Ultra having a 6.8-inch screen. Before we check out the phone, let's check out what else is inside. So, it will still have a charging cable, as you can see here, but just the travel adapter, just the power adapter will not be included. So let's just open it up. Right there. And it's USB-C. So both ends are USB-C. So you will have to buy an adapter that has a USB-C on the very adapter itself. Alright. And well, a quick start guide. And you also don't get earphones with this one, but you do get a very nice phone with the package. This one comes in the Phantom Violet color, a new color, and all of the phones this year in the S line will come with a matte finish. But the most striking design of this year's S phones is the contour cut camera design right here, which really highlights the lenses of the camera. So with the S21 and the S21 Plus, you get a three camera array, which is a wide and an ultra wide and a tele. The S21 Ultra has two tele lenses. One is a 3x optical zoom and the other one is a 10x optical zoom. This screen is flat, unlike most other recent S phones. Here's the boot up screen. So this one is gonna retail for 47,990 pesos, and while the S21 Plus will be 57,990 pesos. Actually nice to see a return to the flat display, and it's kind of a rose gold finish here for the borders, and that's a nice premium look to it. This one has a 120Hz display also. It's a variable refresh rate, so it changes according to the situation. So it's not exactly a new feature. The S20 phones also had a 120Hz display. Those are the settings. So if you want to get it going smoother, you just choose adaptive. Okay. So here's just a look at all the angles of the phone. Let's take this off so you can see how it looks. So it's a matte finish. Okay, so that's your first look of the phone. We'll have a full review next time. So that's it for us for now. Tune in next time for a full review. I'm Jalo Gonzalez. Thanks for watching.